Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to boot into safe mode in Windows 10. With just some easy steps, you are good to boot into safe mode. So now first, what you need to do is go to your start, click on your start button, and then on the start click on power. Under the power button click on restart, but before you click on restart, hold shift key and then click on restart. Now as you can see, let's just wait for it. Alright, so as it is here on this page, it's saying that choose an option. So now you have to go to Troubleshoot and advanced set options. Now under advanced options, go to startup settings, and as you can see, these are the options available under startup options. And as you can see, we have here enable safe mode. So restart, just wait patiently for it to come. Okay, as it is shown here, these are all modes for you to boot. And to boot onto safe mode, so you press 4 on your keyboard. Press 4 on your keyboard. You just wait on it to load. And as you can see, we are on safe mode. So that is how to boot into safe mode in Windows 10. Hope this video was helpful, guys. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.